Hi, welcome to class. Today we're going to be using 3 blocks. So we're going to be sitting on one and then using 2 for extensions. So get yourself 3 blocks or something that can work like a block, okay? Let's pop one underneath our bottom and let's just prepare ourselves. Our hands are going to be, our palms will be facing outwards, and we're just going to allow our eyes to drift shut. Just take a moment to find your space here. Begin with 3 cleansing breaths. Inhale through our nose, exhale through our mouth. Inhale together. Bring your hands to prayer. We'll do 3 more breaths. On the inhale, think I am thankful for. On the exhale, my body. We inhale, I am thankful for my body. I am thankful for my body. Again, I am thankful for my body. Take your right hand and just stroke the left up and down. I am thankful for my arm. I'm thankful for my arm. Other side, I'm thankful for my arm. Again, I'm thankful for my arm. And then just rub your heart. I am thankful for my heart. Other side, I am thankful for my heart. And then just brush those legs. I am thankful for my legs. I am thankful for my legs. And then just kind of pretend you're washing your hands. 3 breaths, thinking of the gratitude you have for your hands. Take your hands and just massage your crown. I am thankful for my mind. 2 more. Go back to our beginning. 3 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. I feel a shift of energy for me. I hope that you feel a shift in yourself too. Your body is remarkable, regardless of its size, of its capabilities, of its strength, of the way it looks, of how soft it is or how hard it is. It is remarkable. And sometimes we just need to take time to thank it. Thank it for taking us through this life. So I'm going to take our 2 blocks. I'm going to reach them to the side, as far away as you can. So I'm not here. See how my elbows are kind of bended? Bended, is that even a word? I don't know. I'm going to reach them out so I'm not locking, I'm not tense, but I'm reaching. Wiggle those sit bones and then lift the heart, shoulders roll down. We're going to do 3 breaths here. We inhale, exhale, drop the head. Inhale, lift the heart, drop the head, lift the head, no, the heart, and drop it. Wonderful. We're going to reach over to this side, let go, and then reach up. Now I'm not sinking, I'm reaching. This sit bone is still rooted into the block. Press them out down, dropping the head again. And press it down. Again. And press it it down. And bring it up, reaching the other side. And press it down, drop the head. Oh, just breathe beautiful oxygen into your side. And press it down. And then bring it up. We are going to take this block in front, this block to the back. Press, inhale. Exhale. 2 more breaths. Relax those shoulders. 1 more. Switch up. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. And bring it forward. Do that again on each side. Reach, just 2 breaths this time. Shoulders release. Switch, press. Again. Switch, 1 on each side. Inhale. Exhale. Switch. Inhale. Exhale. Reaching them forward. I'm still on that block behind me and I'm shifting my energies forward. And then I'm pressing and I'm lengthening my heart, okay? You might need to have yours much closer because maybe you don't have that range and that's totally cool. Inhale. Exhale. Drop the head. Inhale, reach the head. And the heart up. Shoulders are rolling down. Shoulders are not here. Exhale. Hollow the belly. Drop the head. Come forward. Exhale. I'm going to bring my blocks a little bit closer. And I'm going to take my forearm and lay it down. And then lay the other one down. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Drop the head. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Step those hands back on the blocks. And then we're going to take our legs out into a wide kind of frog position. We're going to reach this hand forward. This one's going behind. Well, it doesn't even need to go there. And we're just opening up that arm. So look how my arm's up here. Exhale, bring it forward. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Switch, plant the other hand. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Exhale. And then roll it up. Okay, we're going to start doing a little bit of a flow. So we're going to move our blocks to the side. And the one that was on our bottom. And we're going to start in a tabletop. So my hands are below my shoulders. Tuck in my toes. Inhale, sink the belly, reach my head towards my tails. I'm not sinking in my shoulders though. Exhale, hollow. Do it once more. Inhale. Exhale, hollow. And then come to a tabletop. See how my back is nice and long here? I'm going to press up. Deep bend. Drop the head. Shake it. And then lower. From the top, we sink our belly, reach our head towards our tail. Hollow. Come to a tabletop. Press. Deep bend. And I'm going to walk my hands back. Grab my elbows. See how my knees are bent? Hanging forward. And then walk, walk, walk. Lower. From the top, we inhale. Hollow. Flat back. Press. Bend the knees. Walk your hands. Press them into the floor. Deep, deep bend. Grab your elbows. up. All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way up. Drop. Oh, bring my hands up and through prayer. A little releve. Woo! And down. And again. Woo! Down now, roll the head. Roll, 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 roll. Grab the floor and walk back to the top. Lower the knees. And we reach head and tail towards each other. Hollow. We come to a flat back. Inhale. Exhale, press. Deep knee bend. Walk your hands in. All the way back. Grab your elbows. Hang the head. Hands walk up. Roll, 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 roll. All the way up. Hands. Oh, that's some wonderful crazy hair. We're going to lift up, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze the bottom as the heels come up and lower. Again, arms come up this time. And then lower. And then we're going to step. And this foot is going to point towards me. This one's going to reach. And we're going to pretend there's a fence there. This is called a triangle. So we're reaching over the fence and then down. You grab your shin, or you can grab a block and plant your hand right there. And then we are not sinking, but pressing, 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 reaching all the way up. High level my body. Inhale. And then lift it up. Switch sides. So now this foot's going to come towards me or towards you. This foot's going to go the other way. We're going to reach over the fence, take your block down. And open up. Inhale. Inhale up. Oh yeah. And step it back. You can leave that block down there. So we have one on either side. And we're going to roll it down and walk your hands forward to the beginning. Okay, that's our flow. We're going to do it 2 times. Here we go. Belly sinks as our head and tail reach. Hollow. Inhale, flat back. Bend the knees, lift the bottom. Walk your hands back. Grab elbows. Hands come up. We roll, 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 roll. And lift on up. Squeeze the bottom. Lower, arms to the side. Squeeze the bottom as your heels lift up. And we're going to step this. It's my left leg. It might be your right leg, depending on if you're mirroring me. And we're going to reach, 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 reach over. You can grab a block. And then we extend. Exhale. Next one, we're going to lift up. Exhale, lift. Switching this foot, pointing. This foot's going to point out. Reach, 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 reach. All the way down to my block. Plant. And then open. Our bodies are amazing. One more inhale. Exhale up. And step it back. Ooh. And I'm rolling down, rolling down, rolling down, rolling down. Walking, walking, walking. And lowering. And from the top again. Belly sinks, head reaches towards tailbone. Exhale, hollow. Inhale, flat back. Press, bottom up, bend those knees, walk the hands back, grab elbows, hang. Hands walk up to your hips, roll it up, roll, 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 roll. Oh yeah, yeah. Hands at prayer, releve, squeeze the bottom, lower the heels, arms to the side. Go up on your tippy toes and lower. My left foot's gonna come forward, whichever foot is furthest away from me. Pointing this way, this foot's pointing directly towards me. And reaching over the fence. And then down. Inhale up. Exhale. One more. Exhale, lift. Ooh la la. Switch. La-di-di-di. Over. All the way down. Grab your block or your shin. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale up. Step to the back. Roll the head down. Roll, 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 roll. And we're going to walk all the way into a child's pose. Knees together, feet are together, and hands are in front. Head to the floor. 3 breaths. Gently walk up. And bring yourself to a seated position. And bring your hands to prayer. We'll conclude with 3 cleansing breaths. On the inhale, think I am thankful for. Exhale, my body. Here we go. I am thankful for my body. I am thankful for my body. I am thankful for my body.